Hey guys, we're back here with another video. Today I'm just going to be kind of filming a brickforge unboxing, which has arrived sooner than I expected, but I ordered some more Halo armor. That's all I ordered. So let's go and see what I got. This stuff, front, I don't order thing out. Put that off to the side. That's it. Alright. Okay, so first, before I go over the actual stuff, I'm going to go ahead and go over the freebies. Looks like we got like a little staff. Wizard's staff. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but it looks pretty cool. Like stick a diamond or something up here and it makes it look like a staff. You got like a Wolverine mask in silver, which looks pretty cool. Another one of these walkie-talkies, which I already have one of these in the same color, but still, it's cool to have another one. So, those are the freebies. I'm going to go ahead and move everybody back a little bit. Alright, so here's all the Halo armor I got. Although it looks like the purple armor is a lot more magenta than I thought. Because whenever they said like dark purple, I thought it was just like dark purple, but it doesn't really look like it. It's like, as you see, it's a different color than this, and because I have the Joker figure as well, the original one, and I tried, maybe it was that color, but it's not this color either. It's like some other version of magenta, but from the looks of how it's going on, it still looks like it'll be pretty good on the actual armor, this armor. Now I haven't chosen what visor color I'm going to throw on this particular one, but I got, here, I'll just show you the armor that I know for sure what I'm going to do with it. I got some new Master Chief armor, olive green, which I'm getting the legs for this. I gave him the dual SMGs like he's from Halo 2. So yeah, he should look pretty good once I'm finished with him. Then let's go ahead and let's separate all this. All the visors. No, that's the last one. Okay. Let's do white. So, white armor, already looking pretty fantastic. I don't know, do I want to add that visor? Or I think I want to add this one. This one looks really, really good with the metallic gold visor. I wasn't expecting it to look this good. Let's just have the rest of this armor. Let's go ahead and do black now. That's orange. Black. Do I want to do chrome? The gold? Or do that looks really good. Or do I want to, what the heck? Oh yeah, I don't want to do metallic silver. Let's test it out with the rest of the ones. I don't really know what I'm going to choose for the visor colors. That's why I'm kind of jumping around with this. Orange armor.
Is there anything that you can think that we can be doing in the meantime as we're waiting? Is there something special we should be looking for to help?
Yeah, I think I'm going to do this one. Then I got the hot pink armor here, which I'm going to have that on. Another visor choice. Pick a visor, any visor. I think the best choice for this is the gold. Right, so here's the gold. These figures look a lot better in person. Just wanted to mention that. We're going to put the flat silver on the purple Spartan. And last one, the gold one. Black one, I mean. This forward. Dang. This looks like really, really good. I'm giving him the railgun because I'm running out of just Halo 3 weapons. Scooch all these guys over. And the last one, which is the ODST. Which, dang. I have two ODSTs by now. I have one that's like a black sniper, and the other one that's like a dark tan dude. Haven't gotten one in dark gray yet, like before. So now having it in this color looks really good. And with his SMG and his pistol. So anyways, this is going to be my rookie, probably. Yeah, he looks really good. Right there. Yeah. Anyways, though, that's my brickforge order. Wasn't expecting it till Friday, but it showed up on Wednesday, so. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.